स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यथाग्निर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता ह्य सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। तेजोऽसि तेजोमयि देहि वीर्यमसि वीर्यं मयि देहि बलमसि बलं मयि देहि ओजोऽसि ओजो मयि देहि मन्युरसि मन्युं मयि देहि सहोऽसि सहो मयि देहि। सेल्फलेस प्रेयर, यूनिवर्सल प्रेयर। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु सर्वत्र नन्दतु। हरिः ओम्। Now let us chant the Gita Dhyana shlokas, please. Ready? पार्थाय प्रतिबोधिता भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथिता पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वाम् अनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्र रुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः। ध्यानावस्थित तद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणा। देवाय तस्मै नमः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। देवाय तस्मै नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। Yes, namaste to everybody. Subhodayam, Shubhamangalam. Very good morning, and hope all of you are keeping well, staying safe and healthy. Even if somebody is there known to you, your near and dear ones who are infected or who are having some problem, we pray now immediately 3 times Mahamrutyunjay mantra. Okay, all of you can repeat. All of you know it, memorize it, right? 3 times, okay? Don't keep anything in the mind. Just think of the Lord, think of the meaning of that great Maha Mantra and recite with great devotion, sincerity, concentration, okay? Surrender everything to the Lord. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Let us all overcome the fear of death, the fear of the infection, fear of various other diseases, fear of the present situation. These are all clouds in the sky, temporary setback. But by our discrimination, by our vivekam, maturity, dharma, dhyana, seva, and being cautious. Let us overcome the terrible times which has engulfed the whole humanity, which is in one way our own doing, but we ourselves can overcome it, and the grace of God, the grace of the divine. Okay, so like that, keep on chanting, keep on chanting. In the house, let there be vibrations. Let every nook and corner be filled up with this powerful, pure mantras. Okay, keep on chanting loudly or mentally, and train your children, family members, elders, youngsters to keep on repeating. Talk less about other things. Chant this mantra at least 108 times a day. More is still more wonderful, but minimum keep target 108. So little about meditation today, and then going forward. So always a preparation in the mind is very important. I keep telling it, and every great teacher, every great saint has prescribed preparation, preparation, preparation. Yama niyama, ahimsa, satya, asteya, brahmacharya, aparigraha, shaucha, santosha, swadhyaya, tapas, ishvara pranidhanaha. These are mental preparations, moral preparations, external preparations, and what I call the purity of the mind. Ahara shuddhau, sattva shuddhihi, sattva shuddhau, dhruva smritihi, smruter lambhe, sarva granthinam, vipra mokshaha. All the knots of the mind, all the knots of the meditator will slowly be removed. You'll gain freedom. Bondage is granthi. Freedom is freedom from the granthi. But all that depends on the food that goes into the mind and the body. Aharam, that goes through the five senses. Very, very pure. See positive. Listen positive. Chant holy mantras. And spend your time in seva. In the kitchen, in the office, it is seva. It is not work. Once that attitude changes, there will be anandam, there will be a worshipful attitude, there will be bhava shuddhi, and you sit for meditation, sit for your sadhana, immediately mind is rolling forward. It is prepared. It knows. You give the instruction to the mind. This is the time, 8:30, 7:30, 4:30, whatever time you have set. Be clear about it. Be convinced about it. Have faith in what you are doing. Then develop a fisherman's attitude. Fisherman. Sri Ramakrishna tells the meditator, young or old, should have the faith and the sadhana of a fisherman. What does he do? Number one, faith. In the lake or in the river, there are number of fish. For my livelihood, I will catch them one by one or together. Fish in the rivers or the lakes. So he will go prepared early morning. He will go with a fishing rod or a fishing net. He will go with the bait. He will go with that fish food to attract. The key is faith, Shraddha, Atma Shraddha. Key is faith in nature. And he is sitting there prepared. He has put that bait and that float, we call the float, iron ball. Slowly it will be sinking into the water. You might have seen how they catch fish. And as that bait is going down and down into the water, the fish is there. He is seeing it. But none of the fish come nearby. They swim away. But after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, because of that fragrance of the food, the worms or whatever he has put to that hook of that bait, the fish get attracted. But what is the sadhana of the fisherman? Patience, patience, patience. And action is there, patience is there. Patience here does not mean he becomes lazy. He has to do the action, but he has to wait. Very interesting. Maybe half an hour, he will not get anything, but he has to wait. That is his life. That is a profession, right? So make meditation your life. Make meditation your food. Make meditation a habit. Meditate, meditate, meditate till light flashes into your head. Atma Jyoti reveals itself in the head. Everything bright, everything Bhagavan, everything sublime, everything beautiful, pure. And then Sri Ramakrishna says there will be some test. Nature will test you. Not that easy. Okay. We have to pass through test. Are we really seeking higher joy? Or meditation, is it a time pass? Just for some peace? Just for some calmness? Maybe that is also a benefit. But that is not the goal. That is another step for more joy. Paramananda, that is my goal. Moksha is my goal. So, the test is natural disturbance, opposition, or some distraction, some sounds, they will be created. And Sri Ramakrishna says just behind where he is sitting, there is a public road, and there will be a marriage party which will come, which is standing near that lake or river, and they have the bhajana, they have the cracker, they have the dance. You see, so much of noise. But this fellow, this fisherman, is so concentrated on the water and the fish. Not even 1 inch he will turn. Not even 1 inch. He will not turn back. What is that sound? Why is he bothered? Somebody is making, but my concentration, my ekagrata, my dhyana is there on the fish. मछली ध्यान कर रहा है. भगवान का नाम बाद में करता है, उस समय मछली का ध्यान करता है. Fish meditation. So he's steady, no problem. And after some time noise will go. He has put a no entry board in his mind. No entry, no disturbance, DNB. Don't disturb me board. So that is your effort. That is your personal methodology, how you can protect yourself. Otherwise, there is no end to problems. Somewhere you have to reject, you have to keep them aside. Then after 5 minutes, half an hour maybe, as I said, you may get 1 fish or 2 fish. If he wants more, he has to spend more time. If he says, yes, this is enough, that is enough. How much hunger you have? How much of discontent you have towards the world? Then the magic starts. Then the real blessing starts. Are you happy eating thorns? Or do you want amritam? That is the real purpose of meditation. Why do you go to a temple? Why do you spend so much time? Do you want God? Or do you want only things of God? So you want things of God, God will tell, like a child. Mother is very busy, the child will put some toys. Bombalu. You play. Child is very happy. It doesn't bother about the mother. Is it not? In every house you have children. So toys. Mother will be very busy. Let child be. Then the child, after some time, realizes something missing in its life. That toy, that book, or that anything. After disgust. No. Amma, Ma, kaha ho? Where are you? Amma says, let it cry, let me see whether it is just joking or not. And when the cry becomes non-stop, Amma, Amma Kavali, Amma Kavali, huh? Amma Kavali, I want the mother, I want the mother. Where are you? And it keeps running here and there, crawling here and there. Then the mother, now is the time to hold the child and feed the child, pat the child, make the child happy. Ajao. So we should cry. We should disturb God. We should call him, call him, call him. That is called Vyakulata. Yearning, eagerness. Time is up, time is up, time is up. Sri Ramakrishna used to encourage, inspire his disciples. Time is up, one more day is over. Today is 12th of May. Lockdown started in Hyderabad, Telangana. You see? Another 10 days, another place going on. Are you eager? 12 days ho gaya in the month of May. Today is the third day of our meditation class. What did I achieve? Why I did not achieve? What was troubling me or what is my success? Have I memorized the Gita? Have I memorized a few shlokas? Eagerness. Don't tell no time. Don't tell there is no time. We are wasting lot of time. Meditators, participants, dear brothers, sisters, dear mothers. Holy Mother Sharda Devi used to do 25,000 per day japa. 25,000. 5 hours. Somebody said, Swamiji, 5 hours mother used to do? Yes, mother could do 10 hours also. Without microwave, without gas cylinder, without pressure cooker, without electricity. I have everything. Then I say, oh, so much. We are wasting time. So be little more intensity. Use intensity. It will come. Possible. सब कुछ होता है. सब कुछ होता है. No doubt. That is anugraham. That is anugraham. Grace. Okay? So be like the fisherman. Be eager to gain more anandam, more gnanam as early as possible. So that should be our tapana. We should feel that heat in the body. Okay? So this is the purpose of meditation which I am giving you. Now let us go forward into the 10th chapter. Okay? Please open 10th chapter, Vibhuti Yoga, Shloka number 4 and 5. Shloka number 4 and 5. Chanting and meditation. Some of you have not opened your video cameras. Are you there or not, brothers and sisters? Are you there? I get a doubt. Vivo, kaun hai bhai? Vivo 1938777777. Are you? Your name is Vivo. Please rename yourself. What is this Vivo business? Me pere ready. Right. Ready? अथ दशमोऽध्यायः विभूतियोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच बुद्धिर्ज्ञानम् असम्मोहः क्षमा सत्यं दमः शमः सुखं दुःखं भवो भावो भयं च भयमेव च अहिंसा समता तुष्टिः तपोदानं यशो यशः भवन्ति भावा भूतानां मत्त एव पृथग्विदाः. Once more, please. buddhirgnanam asammohah kshama satyam damashamah sukam dukkham bhavo bhavo bhayam cha bhayameva cha ahimsa samata tushtihi tapodanam yasho yashah bhavanti bhava bhutanam matta eva pratagvidaha. In these two slokas, there are nearly 20 qualities. It is actually bhava, bhavanalu, the different aspects, facets of the divine. Starting with the intelligence, buddhi. And buddhi is not just some writing or some speaking or some drawing intelligence. This is the fineness of the mind. Buddhi means fineness of the mind, sharpness of the mind. Sometimes, tum buddhu ho. In Hindi they say buddhu. That means that fellow is very dull and dumb, no intelligence. Buddhi nahi hai. Buddhi leda niku. In Telugu we say. So, idea is that he is not intelligent to understand, not having common sense. But actual buddhi here, sukshma vishaya grahana samarthyam. The capacity to understand the subtle things in life. Sukshma vishayam grahana, absorbing. That is buddhi. So this is where our education, your education, not school education, not science, maths, chemistry, botany, zoology and 100 marks test. No, that is, mind is enough for that. But that boy, that girl, he or she, is he developing that fineness, sharpness. In psychology, there is the example of sharpening the axe. That is buddhi for you, sharpening the axe. So what you have to do? First, clean the mind with Gayatri Mantram. Last sentence, Gayatri Mantram kya hai bhai? Dhiyo yo naf prachodayat. O Lord, let my intelligence be stimulated so that I can realize higher truth. Not just political news or corona news, higher truth. Buddhi, buddhi, buddhi. So give training to yourself for buddhi. Give training to your children to become a scientist, to become a musician of a higher type. Yesterday I was listening to a musician, old generation. He was telling, my day starts with music. I live in music. I sleep in music. And one day I will die in music. That is buddhi, highest. They are not bothered about other things. That one, ekam eva, I want. Buddhi, 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 grahana shakti, absorbing power. So in meditation, you have to awaken the buddhi, stimulate the buddhi. That's why Gita chanting, Vishnu Sahasranama chanting, Chandi Parayanam, Lalita Sahasranama Parayanam. Do it. Do it. So time is there. You have got so much of buddhi. Use it. Krishna says. Buddhir gnanam. Second one is gnanam. What is gnanam? Atmadi padartha avabodha. The knowledge of the Atman, knowledge of its qualities, knowledge of your own self, Atma Gnanam. You may have all the information in the world, in your mobile, in your laptop, but you have no knowledge about yourself. Why somebody, an intelligent or so-called wonderful modern boy or a girl, goes into depression? He is in a AC room, he is in a comfortable room, he has got a Skoda, BMW, but his mind is depressed. What a tragedy. Not one, two, thousands all over the country. Why? Why did you think about it? He may have got a gold medal, but he is a criminal. He is taking drugs. He is alcoholic. No self-knowledge, but he has got knowledge about the prapancham. What is the use when you cannot lead a happy, peaceful life, sir? So real knowledge is knowledge of the Atma and its connectivities. Okay. Buddhihi, Gnanam. Next one is what? Asammohaha. Asammohaha. Yesterday also. Asammodaha. Asammohaha. Mudaha. Sammudaha. Asammudaha. 3 levels of maturity. Mudaha, dull. Dull-witted. Sammudaha. Some knowledge is there, just theoretical knowledge. Asammodaha, he is free from it, free from doubts. So, buddhihi, gnanam, asammodaha. Next is what? Kshama, 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 kshama. Forgiveness. And the earth, the bhumi, is also called Kshama Devi, Bhu Devi. How much we are troubling Mother Earth, digging, mining, spitting, cutting. Baba, Amma is protecting us. It says, all right, my children, I am bearing you. But sometimes Mother will turn little that side. We call it earthquake. Is it not? Just a little mother will turn to adjust her body. Whole thing, pata, 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 it will fall like paper. Huge buildings will collapse. How long mother will bear? I should take care of my mother, is it not? But she is Kshama Devi, Prithvi, Bhudevi. Yudhishthira had tremendous Kshama on Duryodhana and others. But he was not a goody-goody fellow, but he was a strong, intelligent fellow. When to attack, when to this one, how to prepare. So all these qualities, Satyam, Dhamma, Shama, Dhamma, they all go together in Vedanta. Shama, Dhamma, Shama, Dhamma, Dhamma, Shama, Dhamma, Shama. Dhamma is physical control, Shama is mental control. All these are blessings of God. Sukham, Dukkham, Bhava. Bhava means that which produces, that which comes out. Okay, from the seed, small plant will come, that is Bhava. Then Abhava, Vinasham, coming, birth and death. Vinasham and Utpatti, we call it Utpatti, just it sprouts. Bhayam eva, that is fear. Abhava, Vinasham, Bhayam or fear. Abhayam, Bhayarahitatvam, the attitude of fearlessness. Ahimsa, in speaking, in thinking, in doing. Ahimsa, non-violence, non-injury. Samata, same-sightedness. This is at a little higher level. When we are in the Vyavaharika world, there will be differences. Say you are all living in one, you are now sitting in one room. Is it not? Sridharji is sitting in one room, Lavanya is sitting in another room. In your own room, there are so many rooms. In your own house, right? There is bedroom, there is kitchen, there is drawing room, there is washroom, there is veranda, yes or no? But you call it what? House, home, my home. But you are sitting in only one home, one room. Everything is yours, but you are in one place only. Somebody will have 10 bedrooms. Will he sleep 1 hour in one bedroom? That means something wrong with his brain, is it not? 10 rooms he may 10 rooms he may have, but he has to sleep only one room. If he is jumping one room, that means insomnia. Some mental distress. He has to take sleeping tablet. Doctor will tell, what a fool you are. Sleep in one room. So Jeevitam alaga. We may have so many things, but we have to see oneness. Practice karo bhai, practice karo. It's not magic. Tomorrow everybody will become Ramakrishna Paramahamsa or Ramana Maharshi. No. But practice. We are their children. Okay? Samata. Contentment. Tushtihi. Contentment. Trupti. Yadricha labha santushtaha. Does it mean I should not strive for higher purpose? You can. But at one level, trupti, at the other level, tyagam. Santrupti, happiness, contentment. Okay? Austerity, tapaha, danam, charity, benevolence, yashaha, fame, then strong criticism or loss of fame, loss of honor. Danam, yasho, yashaha. Bhavanti bhava bhutanam mattayeva pritagvidaha. Diverse modes of the mind seen in all beings proceed from me alone, their ultimate sanctioner. Pritagvidaha. What is pritagvidaha? Diverse. Pritagvidaha. Diverse. Expressions. Bhavaha. Mattayeva. From me alone. Bhavanti. They arise. So all these 20 qualities, you can keep on reciting, thinking in your meditation, and feel that slowly, gradually, you are gaining more and more investment. You are doing more and more investment. It is growing in your life. Buddhi is blossoming. Knowledge is increasing. Shamadama is improving, like that. Okay, once more let us chant, and please memorize these 2 shlokas. Will you? Buddhirgnanam asammohaha Kshama satyam damashamaha Sukham dukkham bhavo bhavo Bhayam cha bhayameva cha Ahimsa Samata tushtihi tapodanam yasho yashaha bhavanti bhava bhutanam mattayeva pritagvidaha. Now one more shloka we shall take. Number 7. Shloka number 7, please. Ready? Etam vibhutim yogam cha mama yo veti tattvataha sovikampena yogena yujyate natra samshayaha. Once more. Etam vibhutim yogam cha mama yo veti tattvataha Sovikampena yogena yujyate natra samshayaha. Meaning is, he who knows the truth about this manifestation of my divine majesties and about my power gets united with me in steady and unfaltering communion. Very important words. Gets united with me in steady and unfaltering communion. There is no doubt about this. Avikampa Yoga. Vibhuti Yoga is also called Avikampena Yogena. That which is unfaltering, that which is very, very steady. Kampana, Bhukampana, yesterday I was mentioning. When the earth trembles, we call it Bhukampa. It is shaking. But here in the majesty of the Lord, it is Avikampa Yoga. That which doesn't falter, that which doesn't sway. Very, very strong, very steady. Unites with Yujyate. Yuj Dhatu unites with me. There is no doubt about it. Yad bhavam tad bhavati. As you think of these qualities, so much of steadiness, so much of strength you will get, and any kampana from outside also, you will be able to resist. No problem. Just like a gardener is watching a creeper or a tree bending somewhere, soil is becoming loose, tree is just bending, what will he do? He will tie it up, he will put a pole, he will make it steady, he will nicely pound the soil, make the soil thicker, and once again the tree will be in its place. Similarly, our personality, our life will become steady if we hold on to these values. So, Yetam Vibhutim Yogam. Vibhutim, the manifestation, the glories that we are seeing outside, and Yogam is the state of God, state of the Lord. Okay, the beautiful example is given. What is the example given, Steps are there in your house, steps are there. There is a terrace and the steps. The steps are Vibhuti. By climbing up the Vibhuti, I come to the terrace. Okay, the terrace is Bhagavan, the terrace is Ishvara, the terrace is Paramanandam, but I need to hold the railings. I need to hold the railings. I need to put one step, second step, third step. Vibhutis will take me to the one who is the Vibhuti itself. Through the Vibhuti, I attain that Ishvara who is blessing me with the Vibhutis. There is a unique understanding. That is why Vibhuti Yogaha. Vibhuti is different, Yoga is different. But when I use the Vibhutis for higher Yoga, it becomes one. Vibhuti Yogaha. Alright? So, Yetam Vibhutim Yogancha, manifestation of my divine majesties and about my power, one who understands this gets united with me in steady and unfaltering communion. Next sloka. Aham sarvasya prabhavaha. Aham sarvasya prabhavaha. Matta sarvam pravartate. Iti matva bhajante mam. Buddha bhava samanvitaha. Iti matva bhajante mam. Buddha bhava samanvitaha. Aham sarvasya prabhavo. Matta sarvam pravartate. Iti matva bhajante mam. Buddha bhava samanvitaha. Very beautiful words. Beautiful meaning. What a wonder. I am the source of all things. Aham, I, sarvasya prabhavaha, source of all things. From me, all these go forth. Sarvam pravartate. Matta sarvam pravartate. Iti matva, knowing thus, the wise ones worship me. Bhajante, bhajdatu. It means they worship me, they meditate on me, They think of me, three in one meaning. You meditate, you think, you worship. Bhaj dhatu. That's why bhaja govindam, govindam, bhaja mudhamate. Shankaracharya uses three times. Bhaja Govinda, Govindam bhaja mudhamate. O deluded man, O foolish man, bhaja, worship Govinda. Think about Govinda. Sing about Govinda. What you are doing? You are doing all sorts of things other than this. That's why he called it Mudhamate. Nothing will protect you. Nahi nahi rakshati. What nahi nahi rakshati? Dukrung karane. Simply talking. Drum sound you are making. Daba 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 sound. Nothing will come to you. Okay. Bhaja Govinda. So here Krishna is telling, Iti matva bhajante ma. See the connectivity? Shankara's Bhajagovinda Stotram, and here Sri Krishna Uvacha, Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. Bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha, becoming ecstatic with devotion. Bhava bhakti. Mirabai is bhava bhakti. Annamacharya's bhava bhakti. Ramakrishna's bhava bhakti. What a beautiful way. Absorb it, practice it. Practice it. Being filled with ecstatic devotional fervor. Buddha bhava samanvitaha. How should you do bhajana? Bhava samanvitaha, filled with devotion. It's not just mechanical. It's not just some sound. When we do Ramanama Sankirtan, when we do the Shyamanam Sankirtan, when you do the Ramakrishna Namam, everything is Bhava Samanvitaha. It should be done with that. Then meditation, worship, everything becomes so beautiful. And what is that? Na atra samshayaha. There is no doubt about it. Absolutely, all of us will surely, certainly reach the Godhead, reach the truth. Okay? With these 4 shlokas, now please get ready for meditation. Meditation. Get ready, please. Close your book, sit straight. You can just stretch your legs a little, adjust. Fitness is very important, but sthiratvam is important. Don't feel any pain, etc. So create a bhavam, create a devotional attitude and this one in your room, in your place. Om Namo Bhagavate Ramakrishnaya. 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 Slow breathing, peaceful breathing, please. Other participants also open your video. I am checking your position and meditation posture. couple of minutes, please try to watch your thoughts. Don't be involved with your mind always. Observe the mind for a minute or two. You should be seeing the thought and leaving them. Detach yourself from the thought, from the object, from the memory, whatever it is. Be free from the luggage of the thoughts. Awareness is very important. Think about the 20 facets of the divine, different aspects of the mind, which are all products, output of God. They're all vibhutis. Understanding them, we shall reach the Godhead. Buddhir gnanam asammohaha Kshama satyam damashamaha Sukham dukkham bhavo bhavo Bhayam cha bhayameva cha Ahimsa samata tushtihi Tapodanam yasho yashaha Bhavanti bhava bhutanam Matta eva pratagvidaha. Buddhi, the subtle intelligence, Sukshma Buddhi, Sukshma Vihaya Grahana Samarthyam, Gnanam, the knowledge of the Atman and its activities, Asammohaha, Vyakulata Bhavam, or free from delusion, free from the clouds. Kshama, which also means Sahishnuta, forbearance or forgiveness, like Prithvi. Satyam, the real truth, Yatartha Bhashana. Dama, control of the external organs, sense organs. Dama, physical discipline. Shama, the subtle discipline, mental discipline. Sukham, happiness. Dukkham, santapam, or misery. Abhava, vinasham. Bhava, origination. Bhava, abhava. And fear. Bhayam, abhayam. Bhayarahita tattva. The principle of fearlessness, abhayam. Ahimsa, non-injury of all beings. Samata, same-sightedness. Tushtihi, santosham, or contentment. Tapaha, austerity, simple living, high thinking. The oneness of your thought and your speech. Mano vakkaya sanyamam. Dhanam, charity or benevolence. Yashaha, it can be kirti or fame. Ayashaha, apakirti. All these, pratagvidaha. These are all the different facets of the mind based on his action. Na matta eva, from me only, bhavanti, they originate. Buddhi, gnanam, asammoha, kshama, satyam, damaha, shamaha, sukham, dukkham, bhava, abhava, abhava, bhayam, abhayam, ahimsa, samata, tushti, tapa, dhanam, yasha, ayashaha, bhavanti bhava bhutanam mattayeva pratagvidaha. Let us meditate on the next sloka which says, Etam vibhutim yogam cha mamayo veti tattvataha sovikampena yogena yujyate natra samshayaha. Let there not be any doubt, and there is no doubt about it, assures the Lord. He who knows the truth, what is the truth? Manifestation of divine majesties, vibhutim, yogam, the supreme power, tattvataha, in their true nature, veti, who understands, saha, that person, he, avikampena yogena, in steady and unfaltering communion, Yujyate unites with atra, about this, na samshayaha, there is no doubt. He who knows the truth about this manifestation of my divine majesties and about my power gets united with me in steady and unfaltering communion. There is no doubt about it. Our meditation should take us to that higher unity. That is the purpose. That is the goal. Be united with the Supreme Being. And whatever we see within, without, in the world, that which is moving, that which is not moving, that which is flying, that which is walking, everything visualize. I am the source of all things. Sarvasya prabhavaha. Matta sarvam pravartate. From me all these go forth. Iti matva bhajante mam. Knowing thus the wise ones worship me, being filled with ecstatic devotional fervor. When you see the Lord, when you see Ishvara everywhere and feel His presence, and that will come by practice. But keep that in mind. It is called Smaran and Manan. Recollection, reminder, Smaran and Manan. As much as possible, let us keep on doing it. Whenever we move about, whenever we talk with others, whenever we go out, all these are divine. Aham sarvasya prabhavaha, matta sarvam pravartate, iti matva bhajante mam, buddha bhava samanvitaha. Highest devotion, I should practice it. It will grow as we proceed. Whatever we see, whatever we are connected with, the fire, the water, air, space, the earth, everything is divine. Ishavasyam idam sarva. Yat kinchit jagatyam jagat. Remind yourself, remind your mind, tell yourself repeatedly what you see with the eyes, listen with your ears, smell with your nose, touch with your skin, taste with your tongue. Whatever we are doing, it should be done with bhava samanvitaha. We should do the bhajana, we should do the work of the Lord. Then peace will be obtained. Peace will reign upon us. Parama Shanti, Parama Bhakti, Parama Gnanam, Parama Shraddha, Paramanandam. Think of your chosen deity and see Him in everything and everything in Him. That little practice, that little bhakti we should cultivate. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrutyorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Rama Krishna Arpanamastu. Let us move with the grace of the Lord from the unreal to the real. Let us move from darkness to light, from death to immortality. Let there be peace within me. Let there be peace in the whole world. Let there be health within me. Let there be health and peace in the whole world. Rub the palms of your hand nicely, all of you. Gently roll over your eyelids, forehead, and face. In the book given to you, sent to you, the book called Art of Meditation, there is a chapter number 3, which is Meditation, a Vedantic Approach, by Swami Turiyananda, who was one of the monastic disciples of Sri Ramakrishna, along with Vivekananda and others. He said, "Be yourself and be strong. Realization is only for the strong, the pure and the upright. Remember that you are the Atman. That gives the greatest strength and courage. Be brave. Break through the bondage of Maya. Be like a lion. Don't tremble at anything. Swami Vivekananda has taught you that every soul is potentially divine. Realize your own divinity, then you will realize that all souls are divine. A cloud covers the sun. We say there is no sun, but the sun always shines. So the cloud of ignorance makes us believe that we are weak human beings. But the sun of the Atman is always shining. Remove the cloud of ignorance, and the Atman will reveal itself in your heart. When you realize that, then you are a man. Otherwise, you are no different from beasts." Meditation is the key that opens the door to truth. Meditate, meditate, meditate till light flashes into your mind and the Atman stands self-revealed, not by talk, not by study, but by meditation alone, the truth is known. Okay, so we stop today with this lessons of the 20 facets of the mind which originate from God, from the Ishvara, and how Avikampa Yoga and Buddha Bhava Samanvitaha Bhajante Mam. In that way, the whole day, please try to read these 4 or 5 shlokas again after some time, say 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, or in the afternoon, in the evening. Again, sit quiet. Again, consolidate yourself. Again, bring the mind to focus. Dive deep into yourself and hold on to the higher truth, higher divine grace. And that life, day by day, say 12th of May, till you sleep, try to be with that aura, that frequency. And later, tomorrow, another day, we go forward and become little more focused and concentrated and gain the blessings of the Lord. Be eligible to gain the blessings of the Lord. Okay? So these are lessons today. So we complete 3 days of this meditation according to Bhakti Vibhuti Yoga. Can I know how our Anita ma'am is feeling from Bombay? Anita Gokhale ji, kaisa lag raha hai? Unmute yourself.
Yes, Namaste Maharaj.
Namaste.
I'm feeling very good. During meditation, we feel very good, very positive.
Yeah, getting connected with the teachings and your personal sadhana also. Fantastic. Very good. और कौन है? Who else will say about your feelings? Neeraja ji, Neeraja, unmute and speak.
Yeah, feeling very good, sir, and very peaceful.
Yeah.
Like to go further and make it a habit and be in touch with Bhagavad Gita and all this, listening to gurus. So I would like to continue.
Very nice, very nice. Venkatesh ji, Venkatesh.
Pranam Swamiji.
Yes, Pranam.
For me, I think it will take more time. For now, it is being normal. Like I'm feeling like not the change is yet to start. I'll continue. I'll try. I have joined yoga classes also.
Very
It's
good.
all after 1 week. I started feeling the benefits of yoga, like flexibility in my body, and
Yeah.
coming to this meditation through Bhagavad Gita, the changes are yet to come. So more practice is required for me. I am thinking.
Yes.
The mind is yet to be calm and still.
That itself is a beginning. You have realized. You have realized that there will be a continuity. That itself is your profit.
I understand.
Yeah. Take it nicely. Yeah.
Thank you.
Who else? Lavanya ji. See Lavanya.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
I'm feeling very happy and glad that I attended these classes. Actually, I have been, I'm very regular to Hyderabad. I shifted to Bangalore now.
Oh.
Yeah, it's giving in this pandemic situation very positive.
I understood that we can do meditation in this way, where you are revising the shlokas and our complete attention is going on that shlokas and revising, so that it will definitely, so that we can impact in our life. This is the thing I understood from the class, that mixing the meditation and shlokas, so that we can keep our thoughts at one point.
Yes.
It will definitely will help us.
Very nice. Very good observation. Wonderful.
Yeah, that's it.
Sikha Mukherjee. Come on,
Sorry, I am
let's see.
unable to hear you.
Okay. Oh, you can unmute.
Namaste, Swamiji.
Namaste.
It's wonderful. You are
Ah.
taking us to a divine place. I
Ah.
mean, no words to express. I'm beyond words. I thank you for guiding us so well. Thank you, Swamiji.
Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. He is giving me
Yes,
ideas.
yes. And sometimes I'm realizing you are ferrying us to the divine world.
Yeah.
So much to learn, Swamiji. So much to learn.
কোত্থেকে আপনি?
আমি এখন হায়দ্রাবাদি
আরে বাবা। হ্যাঁ।
2003 থেকে আমি এখানে, but originally from Kolkata.
হ্যাঁ।
Now I am
Very good.
Pranam Swamiji.
Pranam. Continue.
I am with mission for a long time with Ramakrishna Math, missing all your bhajans, all your, but we try to be very active, Swamiji.
Yes.
Thank you for your online
Continue.
cooperation.
Wonderful. Sumitra Patnaik. You can unmute and share.
Pranam Swamiji.
Pranam.
For me, it is totally, you have taken me to a totally different world. Actually, personally, I'm facing a crisis.
Oh,
Actually, I joined here and thank you so much. Thank you so much. It is totally a different world for me. Thank you so much.
hold on to the Lord. Hold on to that higher purpose. All that misery, suffering, tensions will fly away.
Yes.
Be bold and face the enemy. Face the terrible. Very good. May God bless you. Okay. Our young volunteer is there, Parvita. What is your feeling as a young girl?
Namaste Swamiji. I think I should say that we have filled our treasure chest with such valuable knowledge in the past 3 months. It's a great power booster, I should say, Swamiji. The detailed explanation of each sloka and that simple examples which you give, they convey the message right to the point, and I should say, it's a great facilitator and it enhances our sadhana, Swamiji. The journey is long, but I'm glad I made a start.
Yes.
Thank you,
If
Swamiji.
you are in the train, it will take you, but you should sit in the train. That
Yes,
is your duty.
Swamiji.
Okay. Sharad Pant, बोल सकते हैं? How you are feeling? What is your experience? Sharad ji, unmute and speak.
I bow down to you, Swamiji. I'm feeling very great. Since three days I'm joining this class.
Okay.
And basically, your Gita discourse is really helpful to understand Gita more deeply.
Okay.
Because initially I gone through Gita, but it's not like through every shloka and its meaning. But you are explaining the meaning very well. So it's really now I'm more interested to go in deep in Gita. And second thing, it's ups and downs like that situation in meditation. Sometimes I'm feeling that I'm gaining something, means I'm really getting something from meditation, and next day there was lots of thoughts and disturbance, and I'm thinking that I'm going down again. So it's up and down like experience in meditation.
Yeah.
So thanks, Swamiji. I'm really thankful for your blessings and this discourse and this guidance.
Whenever you feel mind is going down or it is little becoming lazy or hazy, again hold on to that higher purpose, higher goal. Okay. Take support of the shlokas, take support of the mantra, and again build it up. Don't allow the mind to just drag on. Again push it up. Give a little rest and take it up forward. A little pranayama, a little chanting of the Omkaram, of the Gayatri mantra, or the Mahamrityunjay mantra. And read some scriptures and some stories of great teachings, great sayings. That will act like a cushioning. Okay, during exercises, you know,
Yes.
somersaults, they put some cushions in gymnastics, so
Yes,
that
yes.
even if you fall down, you will not break your leg. So that cushioning is very important. That is where the Ishtanishta, holding on steadfastly to the chosen deity. Ishtanishta. Nishta means steadfastness, that steadiness.
Yes.
Avikampa yogena. Think about that. Avikampena yogena. Suppose something is falling down, suddenly you put your hand below, is it not? So that that cup or that pen or that thing will not fall down and break. So you make that protection to, because of circumstances today, mentally, emotionally, physically, whole country is shaking, people are in distress, somebody or the other, everybody is passing through the uncertainty. But amidst that gloom, amidst that encircling gloom, as we call in English, there will be light. There will be some, that is called avikampena yogena. So hold on to that, this one, study again, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, that 4 slokas that we practiced today with meaning. Sit quiet, digest it.
Yes, sir.
Then again in the evening once, half an hour. So spend some time, because 99% of you are at home, and you get a
Yes,
good
sir.
opportunity to go back to the basics and build up over that
Thank
life
you.
lesson. So
Yes,
we'll meet again
Yes,
tomorrow.
Swamiji.
Please
Yes,
practice.
thank you, Swamiji.
Thank you very much.
Pranam.
You are from which place?
Pranam. Swamiji.
You are from which place?
I'm from Maharashtra, Nagpur.
Wow. Take care. Take care.
Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Hope it is
Yes.
reduced or
Thank
reducing.
you, Swamiji.
Take care. Om Shanti Shanti Harihi Om Tat Sat Sri Rama Krishna Arpanamastu. We'll meet tomorrow. Some more feedbacks we'll take. Thank you. We'll leave the meeting.